Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. No such things, that is, whether the impugned order was passed to the satisfaction of the governor and whether it was in the interest of security of the state have been clarified by the respondent state. Stop. Only fact that was recorded in the impugned order is that the governor of state was satisfied under subclause within bracket C of the proviso to clause within bracket 2 of article 311 of the Constitution of India and the petitioner was dismissed from service. Stop. It is really shocking to believe that after nearly 2.5 years of the alleged commission of offence and also when two parallel proceedings are pending, the impugned order has been passed by invoking Article 311 within bracket 2 of the Constitution of India, which on the face of it has no legs to stand due to non-compliance of the provisions of law. Stop para. The learned counsel for the respondent has produced several judgments for when order of dismissal under Article 311 within bracket 2 of the Constitution of India was challenged. The court has not interfered with the same and therefore in the interest of security of the state the impugned order came to be passed which warrants no interference. Stop. In particularly in batch of cases in WP number 706 of 2009 dated 6/6/2016 passed by the Honorable Division Judge. Stop para. In WA number 2 of 2013, the appeal has been preferred against the judgment and order dated 3/9/2012 passed by the learned single judge in WP number 811 of 2009, by which the learned single judge dismissed the writ petition filed by the petitioner, challenging the dismissal order issued on 31/10/2009 by invoking the provisions of Article 311 within bracket 2 second proviso clause within bracket C of the Constitution of India. Stop. The learned single judge, after discussing the facts and related law, held that there was no infirmity in the dismissal order and accordingly dismissed the writ petition. Stop para. The learned counsel submits that it is on record that the petitioner, who was earlier serving as rifleman, was arrested in connection with an FIR number 217 under sections 342/365/506 IPC. Stop. Thereafter, the petitioner was also detained under NSA wide order dated 17/12/2007. Stop. However, later on, the petitioner was released from the preventive detention of the recommendation of the Advisory Board wide order dated 3/2/2008 as there was no material to support his detention under the NSA. Stop. The learned counsel also states that it is also on record that the said FIR case was closed wide order dated 31/7/2008 passed by the learned CJM by accepting the final report submitted by the IO of the case on the ground of insufficiency of evidence. Stop. The learned counsel submits that it is clearly mentioned in the said closure order dated 31/7/2008 that the complainant Mr. Rahman appeared before the court on 28/7/2008 and his statement was recorded, who had expressed that he had no objection to the final report submitted by the IO of the case. Stop. In other words, the informant declined to pursue with the complaint and the investigation also revealed insufficiency of evidences. Stop. Over.